What's up, y'all? Welcome back to J-Row Inc. Bringing you Govee install behind the scenes. This is Govee Gone Wrong Part 2. How we went from this to the install you just saw in the intro. So thanks for watching my channel. If you're liking the content, please subscribe. Greatly appreciated. Also, be sure to watch all the way to the end so you can see the final product. I've never spent so much time in an attic in my life. Anyway, here we go. Break it down for you. Check it out. So if you remember, this is where we had, and we were this far away from the power and the controller, the customer being able to get access to it. And then he was going out here around the front. And where we're moving it to the garage is way over there where that light is. And then I'll have that plug in right there. Nice, easy access. Starting on that side of the house, working our way to the left side of the house. We're gonna go in right here on the side of the house into the garage here, right there, so that we can use this plug here. See, now his attic is so wide open. I'm gonna try to do all the splices through the attic, but here's the first run. Where it's cut off there at the end is gonna go up through that soffit into the attic and then out right above it. All right, moving on. Okay, so you can see we're up here in the center part of the roof, and this is what we've got. His measurements were shorter, like 15 point something inches. So that's what we're spacing these lights at, because we weren't redoing his tracks. I'm just rerunning this in the same spacing the previous guy did. So we're gonna take all those and run them in the attic and connect them all together. So here we go. Okay, section 1. It's good to go.